Hello everybody, I got some nature spirit pictures and I want to show you. Well, first I'm going to show you this one that is really interesting. It's just a perfect face. So, here it is. I'm getting a reflection here. Wait a second. Okay, so as you can see, he looks like he's sleeping. There's his ear. Oh, you like my magic wand cursor? It's appropriate for this video, isn't it? There's his eyes that seem to be closed. And he's got eyebrows right there. Wrinkly forehead. I think he's a little old. I find he kind of looks like a Buddha, don't you? He's got chubby cheeks, a big nose, and laugh lines, and a little mouth, kind of like a frown, but he's sleeping. So, okay, so you see how perfect that face is. I would say maybe he's some kind of gnome. He has the kind of gnome face, I think. But he's not wearing a pointy hat, but he's sleeping, so maybe he took it off. But maybe he's a goblin. Who knows what he is, but I have my guesses. But that is a perfect face, isn't it? So I'm gonna go to the next one. Let me see what this one is first. Oh, never mind, I think that I have that in my other video. So, if you see that, it looks like a fairy, a head of a fairy, and she's wearing a flower as a hat. You see that? And there's her two eyes, her little perfect nose, and her mouth, and yeah, little fairy peeking out from under the roots. She's very cute. And then this looks very much like a baby Bigfoot, but it was far in the distance, and it still was too small to be a Bigfoot. But you can't really see on the camera his face, but he does have one eye, an ear, and a ape-like mouth. But I see a pointy hat. That might be a gnome, but I'm thinking he's more like a goblin because he looks kind of bless you, Dad. And he looks kind of grumpy, so I think he's more like a goblin. So that's the nature spirit pictures, and I will be getting, wait a minute, what's this? Oh my, look at this. I don't think I have this in my other video, but I've captured a little guy kinda like him on my first nature spirit slideshow, and look, I found another one of him. Maybe it's the same one, maybe it's just the same species, but I thought he was like maybe an elf or something, but he's got a long arm there. He looks kinda like an alien, I think. But I think he looks a lot like the characters from that movie Epic, which is a nature spirits movie. So there's his two eyes and his crown-like hat. And he's wearing medieval-looking clothes. That's typical for nature spirits. So that's all for now. I will make another slideshow I just posted my third one, and I'll have more, so maybe I'll put them in the slideshow. I probably will. But yeah, there's those amazing nature spirit pictures. Goodbye. God bless.